So you've planned your camping trip. The weather is not going to cooperate.
It's pouring rain.
So what do you do? That's our topic for today.
Oh my goodness.
Do you still go? Do you cancel your trip? As part-time RV life people, you have the option.
You do have the option. And most of the time, my option would be, it depends. I would like to probably cancel the trip.
What?
Yeah, I know.
No. Sit in the camper. You got the kid.
You
got the
could.
rain. If it's raining, you got the rain at night.
You could,
You can go
yes.
to sleep. We experienced this just
The other day,
recently in our last trip. Go check it out. Gather Round episode. And we just experienced this. So we went anyway. And I think it was well worth it. We had a good time.
yes, if it doesn't rain the entire time, I would agree. I agree with that.
Most of the time you get a gap.
Yeah.
Now, the time we went to Chickasaw Hill, we didn't get a gap, if you remember. And that's why you did the poncho challenge.
Yes, the poncho challenge.
The $2 poncho challenge.
Which should have
because
been about
There's a short on
22
that,
cents.
but we were going so stir-kept crazy because it was raining the entire time we were there. The entire time.
So then you got to decide, or what you could do, because you and I don't play board games, so we're not sitting there playing Monopoly.
No,
So you can only watch so much TV.
sure.
So I guess you would need to get up, go get in the vehicle,
And go explore.
and go explore, or go to a mall that doesn't exist when you're out in the sticks. And you can only go look at the dam so many times. So, yeah, what do you do when you're out there?
But you could always sit and watch the barges from the window.
You
That
could.
is worth the whole trip.
You could watch a barge go by.
So there's that.
So I would like to know.
You can eat too. You can always cook.
I know, but that's our downfall if we eat too much.
Right.
What do-
How much weight do you gain during a camping trip? That could be a good topic.
26 pounds.
Right?
On the for real tip, a couple of pounds.
Right?
That's for sure.
I mean, because you love to go to shopping and you love to, like, hey, we're going camping. So let's buy all the food that we don't normally buy as special treat food and let's eat it all.
This last trip, we didn't have enough food.
We had enough food.
We did, but we didn't. You asked me, do we have some of this? No, I didn't bring any of that.
We're digressing.
Well,
So what
but part
happens?
of eating-
So what if it's not rain? What if it's tornado weather?
Well, we don't have to worry
What
about
if it's
that.
hurricane?
A hurricane. Well, if there's a hurricane coming,
Then we're
we're
not
probably going to cancel.
going. Okay. So what about snow if we have that opportunity?
Well, here in central Alabama, we do get, on average, I think it's probably, 2 to 2.5 feet a year on average. And
we do not.
but
we do get snow sometimes, and it will halt pretty much everything
yes,
here.
but the blizzard of
We don't have salt trucks.
93 doesn't count. That was a long time ago.
Right, but when we went to pick up our RV, brand new RV, when we went to pick it up, it had just had a big snow because
Hence the word central Alabama. We don't live in Huntsville.
so we had to give them a call and say, "Hey, are you open?" They're
Are
like,
your roads clear?
Come on. And we went up there. It was so sketch. It was just barely clear, just barely. It was a little sketch.
It was.
Thank goodness we had not bought our chariot, or let me say this, our chariot had not arrived yet, our truck. So we had to pay someone to deliver said RV. Now, that's crazy. But it was kind of good because your first time out and it's icy highways is probably not the best scenario. Right?
Right.
So, would you go camping if it snowed?
No, not if it was. I don't want to drive in it. So
what if you're camping and they're calling for a chance of snow?
There's a difference if I have to drive in it. Oh, a chance of snow? No.
Would you cancel the trip?
No, probably not.
So what happens if you are camping and that snow said becomes truthful, and here you are, and that 1 inch became 4?
Oh my goodness, we
or 2,
have to call
or
into work.
half an inch, or hey, it's not going to stick became stick.
Call into work and say, hey, we're snowed in. There's 2.2 millimeters of snow. We can't go. We can't get out. We can't move. There's a snowbank up against the RV, at least 20 or 30 feet tall. We can't move. We're
I don't know that they would believe us.
Especially in central Alabama. As you can tell, we don't get any snow here.
We get rain, though.
We do get rain, but...
And so you are saying that you would prefer to cancel a trip if there's call for rain?
No, not if there's call. If we know somebody, like if there was a hurricane coming and you knew that there was going to be...
I mean, because to be fair...
rain for several days.
The weekend that we were referring to, we went to Pickensville. And I told you, literally told him the day, hey, it's supposed to rain the entire trip. Oh, your Apple phone is not right.
Oh, Apple as a dang weather predictor?
It was right on the money.
That's irrelevant. Apple, no.
It was right on the money.
You look on the radar to see what's going on.
So you had an opportunity at that moment to say, I don't want to go. Well, but I'm so glad you didn't, because we had so much fun. I had a good time.
Even
we got
walking
to see the dam.
Even walking in the, getting caught in the rain and walking in the rain.
We did get caught in the rain,
soaking wet.
But I got to see the barges.
You did get to see some barges.
And one honked.
And one honked at you. Mm-hmm. I think it was driverless, because I zoomed in on it. I didn't see no driver in there. That's probably one of those AI.
He was probably sitting down with full screens.
Nope, it was AI driving that thing. Okay. AI was driving that barge. They don't need humans in there anymore. So anyway, well, it could be.
Well, no, it can't. No,
it could have been. You didn't believe that I had an invisible fire, so it could be AI driving.
You're digressing again. So, in the ultimate choice, your decision. If we know it's going to rain, are we going to go?
If it's going to rain the whole time, if it's just spotted.
Well, how do you know that for certain? Well, you don't. You just know the weather, and the weather's the weather.
No, but you can look at the radar. And the radar, like for instance, this past.
But how many times has your radar been wrong? And my
radar's
right?
Absolutely never wrong, but it doesn't predict what's going to happen.
It pops up. The rain pops up. It could be not there and then just appear.
That's what I'm saying.
That's where you have to go off. Anyway. So I prefer to just continue to go. So what do y'all prefer? What do y'all do? If you've got that camping trip planned, do you just pivot and plan something else for that weekend? Do you still go and then look for activities that you can do where it doesn't require you to be outside?
Well, the problem with that is what? In the places we go, you're out in the middle of the sticks. I guess you could drive an hour.
I was asking them.
Well, that's
not
what I know,
you.
But if they go camping out, these people that go camping out in the middle of the desert and all that, where do they go?
It's not raining. It's a desert.
Well, you got a point there.
Come on. Logic here. Anyway, what do you guys do? Do you still go and just make the most of it, plan alternative things to do that, can keep you out of the rain? Do you just pack your raincoats and let's go and your galoshes and let's go wander through the rain and just make the most of it? What do you do?
They play Monopoly.
So that is our topic.
They do play board games.
Well, yeah, you could play board games. I think that would be good. Anyway,
our kids play
this has
board
been
games.
Another episode of On the Drive. I'm Kimberly, and that's Steve.
Tell them about Steve. What is it?
He says he's a perfect husband.
I am perfect husband. That's just.
If this is your first time watching us, thank you so much for joining. If you're a returning viewer, we appreciate you so much. If you like the content, please like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications, and
as they say, sometimes the T-Ruth hurts.
As always, have a great day.
All right, they're done with us.
Yes.
See ya.
Bye, y'all.